Anyhow, this is a tutorial for the, let's see here, card system uh, asset, and also a tutorial for how to change the materials and textures on said asset. Anyhow, it will come in a .unity package file. You'll drag that into your project that you're working on. You need the creator companion here as well to upload the avatar naturally. It'll come in a folder called esoteric business card. Actually, this will be renamed to card system. Haven't done that yet. Card system. You'll see this little prefab here called click me. You will click it, and you'll see this ESO's Ultra Gay installer. It's very simple. You just do install asset. You click the avatar you want the asset to be on. You click install, and that's it. It will be here. Now, you'll have these little purple boxes that represent the position that they will be on your body. The good chance they're not going to be in the right spot, so you're going to want to like move them, to where they're going to be more accurate on your preferred avatar. They will automatically adjust to your hands in game. They'll follow them around, so you don't need to do anything with that. If you wish for this to not be on your hip, or let's see, even if you want it further down, like on your leg, then this will not follow your leg correctly because it's attached to the hip bone. So if you want this to be basically anywhere else besides near the hip, you can put it on the other side, by the way, of the hip. It'll still work fine, but you'll need to go into the modulator. This one, yeah, equalizer. And find the hip right there. Let's say I want it on the right leg. This is the right leg, so it's further down. Just go here and then choose the right one, so right upper leg. In this case, you can put this anywhere and it will still work. In the menu, it will still say move to hip. You can look in, it's going to be in one of these. Toggle. Where'd I put that? Anyhow, it's somewhere in here. You can just find it. Here you are. Left-hand hip. You'll just rename this to wherever you want it to go. The animation doesn't need to be renamed. It'll still work fine. Let's see here. Okay, right. Texturing. You're gonna go into materials here. These are all the pre-made materials I've made for the assets. If you do not plan on using them, I do recommend removing these. And you can, if you're just going to use one as well, you can remove this whole thing right here. It is not needed. That is just for these pre-made ones. They do take up a good amount of texture memory because it's text, and they naturally need to be a bit big so they're readable. To make your own, I do have one file in here, this borders one. I kind of messed these up when I made them. Highly recommend using Krita to edit this, by the way. It's free, very easy to use. But I messed these up a bit, so they're all upside down. Another reason I recommend Krita, because that's very easy to fix. Let's see here. So, represent this, I usually use multiple monitors, but just so you can see what's going on. Can go in here. Oh my god, how big is this? There we go. Okay, and then the borders one, don't delete this, by the way. Drag it over here. This is your little key to make it. Since they're all upside down, hold shift middle mouse key to rotate this. Good website I use, you can really use anything, it just needs to be a PNG of text. I use this one, techstudio.com. It's pretty decent, you can do a lot of stuff with it. Just write whatever you want. Let's say, I don't know, you want it to say your name. Let's say your name is Yo, blah, blah, blah. That's your name. Okay, and you want, I don't know, this. You can mess in here, do some filling, remove the outlines, yada yada, change the color, I don't care, whatever you want. You need to go in the background, set it transparent, download PNG transparent, download. This, you go into downloads, and you'll just drag it into Krita. It will also be upside down. Insert as new layer. Click this little doohickey. shift so it's snapping, and you can get it perfectly up, like so. Drag it right there. Control C, Control V. Click back into this. Right there. These borders are representing the edge of the card, by the way, so you don't really have to guess and check and figure that out. If you put it in the middle, just with these, it will be centered in Unity. Okie dokie. If you want to check if that worked, all you have to do is save. Since you dragged it into here directly, it will already, the changes will already be applied. So you'll see that appeared up in there. I'll just be quick. So you'll see that. To remove these black borders, just click background, brush, color, get white, okay. You can make it big, and since you're on that layer, those will not be erased. Boom, Control S, okay. Now it's gone. It's that simple. You can really do anything you want with these. Yeah, so card system. You can put like if you don't talk in VRC that you're a mute or whatever and don't want to talk. You can add compliments. You can add jokes. It's whatever you want. If you add multiple, I would keep. I shouldn't have closed that. Whoops. Crap. Okay. I should be able to undo that. But I would keep that border file that I did not keep in the example and removed it. So then you can make multiple. And then you can use this thing right here and just drag whatever ones you make up here, give it the name, and then these will make the necessary changes in the game. That is pretty much it. If you need any help, my socials are plastered all over my Gumroad on this installer. You can contact me, whatever. I offer free technical assistance. And that's it. Yep. Well, thank you very much. Bye-bye.